Joseph here from Echo Studios, and today's htaccess tutorial we're going to be looking at, we're going to be revisiting a tutorial I did about a week or 2 weeks ago on the ErrorDocuments system. First of all, I'm going to recommend this site for you, htaccess-guides.com. I'll put a link in the description. I have been doing for the last couple. It's a really good site just to cover basic stuff and a bit more advanced stuff, and apparently my Shockwave Flash plugin for Chrome has crashed, but that's irrelevant. So for this tutorial I'm going to, as the title says, cover something I didn't do before, is ErrorDocuments in subfolders or subdirectories. Because normally you have a subfolder, if you have a subfolder and you have an htaccess in your root, like this one here, it will load that for all your subfolders, not subdomains. Subdomains work differently. You can have a new htaccess, new file, things like that. But for subfolders, it will load the same one. So let's say you had a subdirectory and you wanted to load have a different thing. Obviously, you have two choices. One, you can go straight from the root of the domain to load that one, or something I didn't cover before is you can do it like this one here. So if I get rid of that code, you can go ErrorDocument, the error code, in this case 404, / the name of the directory or subdirectory, which is YouTube test. For us it's YouTube, if it's YouTube-test, and then / again, then the name of the thing. So there it will look from the root, move in a directory, find the thing and load it when it can't find a page. So for this example here, I put in a whole load of goop. Sorry, wait a minute. It's right, it should. If I save it now, it will, instead of loading our default one, which is that 404, and then a not very happy face, we refresh it, here it'll load 404 YouTube. So obviously you can just get rid of that, sorry. You can just comment that out to get rid of it again, and it will load up the default one. So it's easy. I'm sorry I didn't cover this in the original video, but this makes it a bit easier if you have something like a resources folder or something that you need a different 404 page, just to tell users you're on this, not on the main part of the site, things like that. When it comes to using 404 in subdomains, obviously because you're working from blog, let's say, .yoursite.com, it's a completely different system again, and you're more likely to be working like this. But also, if you are, let's say, working from the root, and you want this thing here, and you had an errors directory, you could obviously put in, let's say, 404 codes or something. So it'll go to that directory as well, but it'll load that for all of the pages. So that's just something I didn't cover in the original, and I sort of forgot. I will put the code for this in the description again. Remember to check out ht-guides.com. Hopefully the Flash won't crash for you there. So that was just a quick revisit of that. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, check out the previous video on the left playlist, and obviously the social links as well, and I'll see you around in the next one.